Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new work days in my life video. So I came up to Seoul to spend a couple of days here. I love when my plans align and I have like two schedules, like consecutive days in a row, because it gives me an excuse to come here for a night. Not meeting any friends or anything like that, just because I had to have a big girl talk with myself and I feel like I kind of have a lot of stuff on my plate right now. Today I just had a kind of like shooting day with my agency here in Korea just to do some updated headshots, and I had a meeting with another company. I feel like today was such a long day because I flew up here first thing in the morning and I also woke up super early this morning to film. So I've been up since like 5 a.m. and it's currently like 5 p.m. So it's been a long day. And then tomorrow I am going to 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐒, which is like 30-40 minutes away, and I'm gonna be filming something for the 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐒 YouTube channel. So I'm kind of gonna be like a MC, if that makes sense. I'll show you guys more tomorrow. You can see more later in this vlog. Let me show you guys around this room real quick, and then even though like my meetings and stuff are over with for the day, I still have like a lot of editing to do. So I think this hotel has a rooftop and I might go up there and try and work. Okay, so when you walk in, this is what you see. As I said, they were very nice and they upgraded me. So I feel like this is like a more expensive room than what I paid for. But hi, there is a giant mirror. So we love that. And then here's the first thing you see. It's like the bathroom. Look at how fancy this is. Oh my goodness. Here is like the main area, bed, kind of boring, but guys, look at this. The hotel gives you sheet masks, which is really nice. I'm not going to use them because I'm like very strict about my skincare regimen and I probably like shouldn't be using these, but that's really cool. I'm gonna leave those for the next people. And then there's like a sofa, big old TV. This would be a really good room for entertaining. Too bad I'm not hanging out with friends. And then here's the view. Hongdae. You guys want to know the funny thing? Actually, on this exact day 3 years ago, I was in Seoul. I was here visiting the first time I came here on a vacation, and little did I know I was gonna move here. I decided like as soon as I got back to America that I was gonna move out here, but yeah, it's like very sentimental and the weather is so good, which makes me want to be like out and enjoying the fresh air. So let's go ahead and head up. I need to really focus, but I might get a drink just to kind of like treat myself, and I'm really excited to explore this hotel. Okay, I ended up ordering a quesadilla. I came up to the bar, so there wasn't like a ton of food options, but I'm not sad because I haven't had a quesadilla in so long. I took a bite already and girl, this is spicy. Mama can do spice, but there's like straight up jalapenos in here, but it's okay. But yeah, here's my little tag. This is my name in Korean. I actually spell my name Adrian. It says Adrian, but same kind of thing. Walking to dinner. We took the quiet route. Right? It's very, very quiet.
We lost our way.
Yeah, I think we lost.
Cheers.
Good morning, everyone. So I just woke up and I'm so excited to have a fun, chill day spent in Seoul. Typically when I come to Seoul, it is always for work, but today is just about fun and play. So I'm really, really excited about that. The weather is looking gorgeous today. I'm staying at this very famous hotel that a lot of people like to visit in the summer. So I'll show you more around here later on. I think we're gonna go to the pool today. But before we go to the pool, we're gonna go get a bite to eat. There's just like so many food options here from all around the world. I wish we had more food options like this in Busan because I just want to eat the whole time I'm here. But before we head outside, I'm gonna do some of my morning skincare. Lately, as like the warm weather has been approaching, I've been really trying to find products that help a lot with maintaining a youthful glow and that are great for anti-aging, just because I'm spending more time outside in the sun. And while I do use SPF, there's so much more that I can be using on my skin to help with staying youthful. And I'm really excited because in this video, I'm gonna be giving away 20 sets of these 3 products. So be sure to keep watching, find out how you can win these. It's open international. I'm so excited to give you guys a chance to get your hands on more Korean skincare. So this morning, I'm gonna be doing some skincare with one of my new favorite brands, which is Papa Recipe. So this is a Korean skincare brand, and before I use the products, I thought I would tell you guys a little more about their brand story. So Papa Recipe, it basically started with a father that was studying all about skincare for his daughter that had skin diseases. He ended up making a organic jojoba oil product that didn't contain any preservatives, and with that he realized that the best skincare really comes from the ground up. So the whole brand philosophy is that the true recipe can be found in the field, hence the name Papa Recipe. All right, so the first product I'm using this morning is their Noble Rot Lifting Essence. Have you guys ever heard of this ingredient, Noble Rot? So first of all, this is very suitable for sensitive skin. If you're like myself, you have to be really careful in what products you're using, and this has worked great with my skin. So this Noble Rot line is a raw material line which is inspired by Noble Rot wine, which is basically the finest version of wine that you can get. It's obtained by inoculating the grapefruit with gray mold, and then it's fermented for like 1 or 2 weeks. And if you guys know anything about fermented skincare, it is really, really good for your skin. And in my opinion, fermented skincare is so underrated. When you use a fermented product, your skin is able to absorb the purest form of that, which leaves the best effect for your skin. So it's kind of similar to how eating fermented food is very good for gut health. I remember when I started learning about K-beauty, I thought the best way to get glowing skin was by using, you know, harsh chemicals or heavy exfoliants, but in reality you can actually just use a very light product like this to achieve extra glowiness. So I usually just apply it on a cotton pad like this, or you can put it in a spray bottle or just apply it with your hands. The formula is quite a thin liquid, so it spreads across your face very, very easily. Even though this is like a liquid product, it reminds me almost of a mix between a toner and a serum, just because of that glowing finish that it gives you. I feel like a lot of toners, they're not able to give you a glowing finish compared to serums, but do you guys see this on my skin? All right, moving on to the next product. So they have more in this Noble Rot line. I'm gonna be using their lifting ampoule. Are you guys familiar with ampoules? I feel like they're not super talked about in the West compared to serums. An ampoule is pretty much a super serum, so it's gonna have a higher concentration of ingredients compared to serum. The key ingredient in this is the fermented grape extract, 62.1%. I'm obsessed with the formula of this. It's almost like a milky cream, so it's a little bit runny, but then when you blend it in to your skin, it ends up like leaving a kind of a creamy type of finish. If you look closely, there's 2 layers to it. So you've got the gold runny layer, and then here is the white milky layer. To use this, you can just start by shaking it just like that, and you literally only need the tiniest amount of this product. I know it's quite a small bottle, but you really don't need much at all. Oh my goodness, when I apply this, it makes my skin feel so moist. Whenever my breakouts are healing, like over here, it ends up leaving some kind of drier patches on my skin. So what I love about this is it helps add some extra hydration to those areas. My skin feels so glowy. I'm obsessed with the feeling. I definitely plan to continue using this all throughout summer, especially for helping kind of give a little bit of a lift to those saggy areas that I have down here. I get a lot of questions about how I keep my face looking a little more tight and less saggy. Honestly, using an ampoule like this can help so much with that. The final product that I'm going in with is their blemish serum. If you're looking for a new serum that can help out with fading stubborn blemishes on your skin, give this one a try. First of all, have you guys ever seen a serum bottle that had this much product in it? You cannot beat this for the price. This actually comes with like, I think around 5 times more serum than your average serum bottle. Not only are the key ingredients in this product very moisturizing and good for evening out your skin texture, but they leave your skin with a very glowy and radiant look. And also there's some ingredients in here that are great for anti-aging effects. A little bit of this product goes a long way. So honestly, I'm just gonna do 1 pump. I feel like that's all my skin needs right now. It just spreads so incredibly easily that you don't need much at all. I would say it's quite a thin consistency. This provides so much moisture to the skin without feeling greasy or too heavy. It's also very lightweight, so it makes it very easy for the skin to absorb this product. All right, so if you guys want to get your hands on these products, they are available on Amazon, and later at the end of May or the beginning of June, they are opening up their global mall. So if you can't find their stuff on Amazon based on where you live, you should be able to get their stuff on their new website that is going to release early this summer. To enter this international giveaway, just leave a comment and let me know your favorite self-care tip for the summer. And don't forget to leave your Instagram handle, and the most important thing is that you follow my Instagram and Papa Recipes Instagram, and then the winners will be announced in a month from this upload date. So good luck to everyone. As I said, 20 winners. Thank you so much, Papa Recipe, for being so generous. I love the fact that you guys can get your hands on this stuff, and if you want to check them out, I will have the links in the description below. It feels like summer this morning in Itaewon. We are on our way to an American style barbecue house. Have you had American barbecue?
Never. American barbecue?
Yeah.
In Hawaii?
Oh, that was Hawaiian barbecue. Hawaiian barbecue. Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, never?
Yeah, so it's like smoked meat pretty much. Very crispy and smoky and very soft.
Oh,
and I'm so excited. And we drank last night, so I feel like my body just needs some of that juicy American style pork. So there's something on my camera. But the vibes in Itaewon are so nice right now. It's so good to see the neighborhood be more alive again, because for the past 2 years, Itaewon got so dead and so many businesses closed. So it's really good to see like people coming out here and lots of tourists and stuff like that. So see you guys when we get there. It's my first time to eat barbecue in Korea.
First time?
Yeah, so like this is very southern style.
Do you think they have it in Busan too?
Probably somewhere. Hongdae. I think Hongdae has it. Yeah. We ordered this one. It's cool. 미국. 미국. Biden is in Seoul.
What?
Biden came to America, I think. Korea. Never been in a pool that has this kind of vibe.
Applejack maybe?
Station is so busy right now.